Faith is a very important factor in the ingredients. As I plant a field or as I spray a field or whatever I'm doing in that field, I'll say a little prayer. It's nothing real big, but I usually say a prayer, and I'm not asking for 200 bushel corn or 70 bushel beans. I'm just wanting it to be pleasing in God's eyes, and I do that with my kids. I pray every night for my kids, and faith is a big part of our family operation.
You can plant the best seed and have the best fertility program and do all those things, but when you get through, it's in the hands of the man upstairs, and if he shines on you, you'll do well. In this area, we've had several years of droughts, and so irrigation has been coming into this area quite a bit, and so last year we had almost a perfect season for us moisture. We had about 62 inches of rainfall, and it came at the right time in Wicklow County, and so we don't have any irrigation at this point. We might have some sometime, but it's hard to beat the water that falls from above that the good Lord puts on us.